Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Premise app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps. So then you come to apps list. In here you're looking for Premise app, or just click on search. Then here add here Premise app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click on for stop. Then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.